In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get NotebookLM Plus, unlock premium power for smarter research. Google NotebookLM. NotebookLM is Google's AI-powered research companion, and the Plus plan unlocks more capacity and advanced capabilities so you can analyze larger sources, generate insights faster, and keep your projects organized. Here's how to upgrade in a few quick clicks, along with tips to make the process smooth. Start by opening your preferred web browser and going to notebooklm.google. Make sure you're signed in with the Google account you want to use for your subscription. If you have multiple accounts, double-check the profile picture in the corner so the upgrade applies to the right one. Availability and pricing can vary by region and account type. And some school or work accounts may have restrictions, so a personal account is often the most straightforward. Once you're on the NotebookLM homepage, look for the Plans option. Depending on your screen size, you might see it in the top navigation bar or within a menu. Click Plans to open the comparison page. Here you can review what's included with the free tier versus Plus. Take a moment to scan the feature list, usage limits, and any mention of trials or promotional pricing. It's helpful to confirm which features matter most to you, like higher source limits, longer context windows, or improved export options, so you know exactly what you're getting. When you're ready, click Upgrade. This takes you into Google's checkout flow. Follow the on-screen prompts to confirm your plan, choose a billing interval if that option is available, and complete payment using your saved method or by adding a new one. Verify the currency, tax, and renewal date before you confirm. If you see an error, refreshing the page or trying a different browser can help, and being signed into only one Google account avoids most hiccups. After payment, you'll be redirected back to NotebookLM with Plus enabled. You should now see your upgraded status and access to the enhanced limits and features. If it doesn't appear right away, refresh the page, sign out and back in, or clear your cache. You can manage your subscription, update payment details, or review invoices through your Google account subscriptions area at any time. That's it. Go to notebooklm.google, open Plans to compare, and click Upgrade to finish. Enjoy the added power of NotebookLM Plus and put those features to work on your next research session. Thanks for watching and happy researching.